Hi everyone, my name is Jacobson Valentine. I'm the founder and executive director of Feed the Mass. We're here to talk about how does Feed the Mass change our community when it comes to fitness, nutrition, and overall health. We focus on creating education both in person and online for everyone in our community. We also create low cost to no cost meals for anyone who needs a meal. Removing barriers to receive services is our main way we battle the systems that cause obesity, diabetes, hypertension, and other food-related diseases. Our education and meals are free for anyone, no questions asked. This can only happen by both the support of our city, government, and community. What we do is replicable, adaptable to any city. We hope this inspires others to create similar programming in their community. So thank you everyone for letting us share what we do.